Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to block or how to unfollow a Facebook group. Follow these easy steps to do it. So if you want to block a group or if you don't want to see any post from a group, you can easily unfollow the group. So as you can see right now, I'm in a group, and now after opening the group, tap on joined, and here tap on you can directly unfollow this group by tapping on unfollow group, and after that you won't get any post from this group. And if you want to leave the group, tap on leave group. First of all, let's unfollow the group, and now tap on join again, and now you can leave the group. If you want to block a group, here is no option to block group. You can unfollow a group or you can leave the group. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.